channel. So, for today's video, as you can see from the title, we are going to be cleaning our garage!
Linisin namin yung garage, guys, kasi bago kami lilipat, dapat yung garage naman, natanggal yung mga lahat ng gamit na ibibigay at saka itatapon. So, punta tayo
very
doon!
sunny, but I think it's cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel
Still
it's cold. Should I put my shoes on?
Yes, please. So, yun guys, maglilinis tayo for today ng garage namin kasi, ang dami ng stock doon. Tapos, itatapon namin yung ibang gamit na hindi na pati yung mga sala seat namin, hindi na kasi pag ilipat kami ng bahay, ayaw namin magbitbit na maraming Tapos, ayun, yung nakita nyo sa taas, guys. Yan. Nilagay ko yung pinggan dyan kasi, hindi na yan siya itatapon. Ayoko kasi nilagay dito sa baba kasi mababasag siya. So, ibaba ko na yan mamaya. And then, ibibigay na din yan doon sa charity. But,
A few moments later.
go! Pupuhatin ko na to guys kasi ilagay natin sa sasakyan para itapon. Mga mga grass sa garden. Okay, so, tara. Punta tayo, sabay tayo sa Wing. Ang hangin. Just close the door. Oh my god, it's very windy. You know what? This is very funny. Alam nyo guys, first time ko lang nagbuhat ito guys.
She's the basura girl.
Ayan. So ngayon guys. Okay guys, dito na tayo. So ito yung garage namin. Okay. And this is the car. Pero ayusin ko muna siya guys. Okay. Buksan natin. So ito yung mga gamit dito lahat na we didn't use it. So this one, the machine, we throw it away. Tapos ito mga gamit, mga baso, mga pinggan, mga etc. Lahat-lahat mga carton. Tapos ito yung namin guys, na upuan. Isang yan? Isang seat. Itatapon na din namin yan kasi hindi na namin yan kayang buhatin papunta dun sa lilipatan ng bahay. So, ito guys, lilinisan namin to lahat. Tapos ito, ang cover para sa bed, tatapon na din. Dalawang yan, para sa baby ko, tapon na din. Tapos itong refrigerator na maliit, yan, itatapon na din namin yan. Tapos may TV pa dyan, tatapon na din yan. So, lahat ng gamit dito guys, aayusin namin ng anak ko ngayon kasi itatapon namin yung iba. Pero hindi yung bike guys kasi bago yan eh. So, okay. So, ito nagkakat natin. Oh, makikita na natin yung mga tutoy natin guys. Wala na yan. Hindi na available yan guys. So, ito, tapon na din.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, maglinis na tayo guys kasi ayusin muna namin ha. So, ipa-flat ko lang yung sasakyan. Okay? So, ano mo yun? Kasi you know how to put it, diba? You don't have any gloves, is it? Oh my god, you will feel cold now.
But it's okay, I'm used to it. What do you want me to do?
And take it off the...
Okay, got it.
Flat. Guys, ang daming gagawin dito sa garage. Oh my god. Lalagyan natin ito sa lahat sa sasakyan, okay? So, talaga, medyo, alam niyo na, madumi talaga. Kaya, pagpasensyahan niyo na. Bombahe. And then guys, maya-maya, mag-tiktok na naman dito sa garage. Pag may
I
mga
can't take this out.
yung anak ko hindi na alam paano gagawin. Nis ka ha, Caroline. Okay now guys, lagyan muna natin ng yung sa likod ng sasakyan. Give it to me that one, honey.
Which one?
I think this one is going to throw it away, is it? Can we just check this one?
Which one?
We have nothing to see. Check it or not, is it? I think that's the...
Oh, it's full of books and everything.
Here's for your dad.
Oh, notes, 20 notes.
Ang daming talaga guys, ang daming Ay na, can you just give me one garbage bin please? Where is it?
It's there. It's right there. Just put it there.
Where? Can you just find one?
Oh, there, here.
Yeah, open one. So that if you found something that we need to throw it away, so we have to do it. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, give it to my dad. Can you open that one please? Open. Guys, ang lamig-lamig. Lagyan ko lang na guys, yung sasakyan. Para Can you just go the edge, darling?
Oh, okay.
Lagyan ko ng guys, yung para yung sasakyan hindi kayo magasgas. Yeah, pull over that one, please. Yeah, open. That's very good.
It's not ready.
So na guys, ililipat na natin yung mga gamit. Start na nak.
What am
Look, what you will do is take the cutter in the kitchen. I think this is the yellow one for Dad.
I?
Or bring something that, so that the carton you can cut it, okay?
Okay.
Ito guys, damit to siya, pero ibibigay namin to sa charity. Kumbaga itatapon niya doon. Pero may sila doon yung charity, may lagayan sila na first. Damit na talaga na damit talaga na yun ang lagayan nun. So, itong isang bag na to, puro damit to guys eh. So, see, mga damit na hindi na nagagamit. Kita mo? So, itatapon na namin to. Hindi naman siya tatapon guys. Pero, this is your things.
Yes. But I don't.
You need it, yeah? So,
There you
ito guys, ibibigyan natin to sa charity. Okay. So, we have to do the carton first, darling, before you pull out this one.
So I have to like cut each.
Yeah. Okay guys, natapos na din tayo pero
But still
kasi,
not everything done.
So, ipapakita ko sa inyo na napuno na yung sasakyan para tomorrow for delivery and then next day na naman, ito naman yung mga machine na itatapon. So, yun naman ang gagawin natin for next day. Okay guys? So, ayan guys, yan yung lahat na itatapon natin for tomorrow. So, hindi na natin nagamit yan lahat ng mga gamit dito sa bahay. Okay? So, ayan, ito naman yung sa loob ng garage. Ayan yung isa kong dyan. Tapos yung mga guys, cover sa bed, itatapon pa yan. Tapos yung sa sitting room naman na pang maliwanag siya na, kahit nasa dilim siya, Yan. Papasok ka na doon. Doon ka na sa doon. Huwag ka na lumapasok. Ayan, yung bike namin yan. Tapos ito yung sitting guys, na upuan yan. So, itatapon na namin yan kasi pag i-travel kasi yan, paglipat kami ng bahay, mabigat siya. So, itapon na lang. Tapos, yun naman yung mga libro ng asawa ko. Ayusin ko pa yan siya, guys. Tapos ito, itatapon na naman. Tapos yan, yung mga cover for bed. Tapos ito, upuan, lahat-lahat na. So, naging empty na konti yung natin, guys. Yung garage natin.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I did kind of enjoy my time while cleaning too. So yeah.
Hey guys, okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Sa part 1 namin ng paglilinis ng garage.
She was the one who
pero,
did all the
guys,
work.
still malamig talaga. As in, grabe talaga.
Still
kahit
malamig, but still pretty.
Kasi, bye bye na.
Okay, bye,
Bye, guys.
guys. Bye guys. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.